Hey guys, Linux here today for another video, and today I'm playing Pixel Art Studio, and I'm just walking around and I'm going to show you some of my art that I've done, but not yet, yeah. So basically, I've done stuff, and I just drew like stuff, bony, so that username, I like it. So I draw stuff, basically, and I'd like to show you some of my art. Right, basically I don't know. So this is some of the art I drew: Arceus, Rayquaza, Reshiram, and Link, you might say. No. Wrong thing. Yeah, I've been the right thing. This guy's drawing something. Wait, let me take off F and not first. Literally, my group is so poor. No. So many tags today. Everyone's drawing something that's like something. So basically, I have so much art that so I'll just show you. So I'll start all the way from the beginning. It basically looks like this. This guy's annoying, isn't he? This guy, he doesn't even know that he's still private. This guy still doesn't know that he's private messaging me. So I got that. This. Don't know what's wrong with that, but I don't like it. Monster. I love this. I really love this. It took me so much time into this, and I just finished it before night time. Ampharos, I've not even finished it yet, but I can't be bothered to finish it. Arceus or Arceus, you might say. Giratina. It was when I had Pokemon Ultra Moon. Lunala. I've not finished this either. Next, Rayquaza. I showed, this was on earlier, but when you zoom really back, it looks like something. Reshiram, my other favourite. It's taking on to load. Zoom back, and you also get a Reshiram. Whoa. I just want to stop. Sunset. And my other things I like doing. Vulpix and Xerneas, the blank. I drew Xerneas, but then I just, cause I accidentally filled it. Yeah. I accidentally filled it, so it got deleted. Cause I filled it with all orange. Articuno. I like doing this as well. Ben. Ben is dead. Oh, I found my friend from my old school. Oh, found my friend from my old school. Yeah, cause we were in the same group, but we made her friends yet, so I'm just gonna send her a friend request. Cause I know. No! I'm gonna follow her then. I'm gonna follow her. Follow. Yeah, just follow her. This one is also blank, but Evil Celebi is that. Because these are some of my friends that I know from school. Flying Wolf went upside down, so I'm not even gonna post that. Just White is just White. Kyurem. I had fun drawing Kyurem. There was a shiny one too. Link, I've never finished that. Maya, don't even know what that is. Mega Rayquaza, I've never finished that either. Some of these projects I draw and I never finish them because I completely forget about them. Mew looks kind of weird. Mewtwo's okay. Oh, this reminds me of what happened yesterday. Pen is just that. Roar was originally a dinosaur. Then I just drew onto it. It was originally okay. N was just originally a dinosaur. That I just like nope. I don't like this. don't like this dinosaur at all. So I just drew onto it. This guy doesn't know that he's still private messaging me. Well, I gotta get going, cause carrying on, cause this is like one of my favorite arts. Reshiram was originally a Reshiram, but then I deleted it, drew something else, deleted it again, drew something else, and I started drawing this. Suicune, I haven't finished it yet. Sunset 2, I killed it. This was Tron, one of my characters I use to press all the time. It was when I was used to play not How to Train Dragon. Dragon's Life 2, there we go. Well, Pixel's just skeleton open again. Oh, what have I seen? This was what I will end the video with, just a picture of this. A beautiful picture. Alright, bye people of whatever you call your life. Wait, goodbye. Yeah, bye.